everyone, and welcome back to another video with me, Alyssa J. So I'm just gonna keep it short and sweet because I have an announcement that you all have been waiting for. I am launching a new product on my Etsy shop, Crafted by Alyssa J. So I designed these really cute acrylic charms called CSC Rose Slime Charms. And for those of you who don't know, CSC stands for Crafty Slime Creator because that is my handle on Instagram. They are super cute and they are the perfect accessory for things like backpacks, pencil cases, purses, anything like that. They are currently $10 Canadian and we ship worldwide, so everybody can grab one of these. I also have another product stocked in my shop, which is the Rose Slime and Charm Duo. So in that comes 4-ounce slime, rose slime, and the charm. So it's a duo, so there's the slime and the charm. And that ships just in Canada only. The slimes are borax free because they are made with a saline solution, and those are $20 Canadian. I also have a variety of slime supplies stocked as well, so if you want to grab any of those are available for people in Canada and the US. My shop is opening on March 1st at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we have a limited stock, so make sure you get there, set an alarm or put it in your calendar so that you can grab whatever you want. Thank you so much for supporting me, whether that be poking some slime or buying my book or watching these videos. I wouldn't be able to do any of this without you guys. And now for a montage of me and my mom making some stuff for the shop. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!